What's up, guys? Keith with Young Electric here, and today we're in beautiful Kingsville. What we're looking at today is a installation of a natural gas generator. Kingsville's been having issues with reliable power. This customer in particular has experienced multiple long-term power outages. Come with me, take a look, see what we're doing. Guys, let me paint a picture for you. Friday night, you just finished work, it's raining, snowing, your power goes out. What's gonna happen? Your sump pump's not gonna work, your fridge isn't gonna work. We're trying to set them up so no matter what Mother Nature throws at them, they are prepared, they're ready, and they have no issues. The common theme that I get is, you're gonna get it all with us, guys. Dollars, cents, numbers, budgets. I wanna try to bring you the most value within your budget. Sometimes doing your whole home is not the most cost-effective way. It doesn't fall into your budget. There's always an option that we could take is partial power. You would pick crucial devices, your sump pump, your lights, your fridge, maybe bedroom receptacles. We take those, we put them into a generator panel to make it more cost effective and to fit in your budget. All right, guys, next question. I get a phone call, I go to someone's house and they say, Keith, I want a generator, but I don't want to hear it. The answer to you is sorry. I understand it's noisy, it could be distracting. This particular scenario, we're in an entertainer's dream. Customer called, he's like, Keith, really need this power, but I need you to work with me to put this in an area where it's gonna be least intrusive and we can still entertain. Come take a look, show you where we kind of tuck this thing, out of sight, out of mind. Hopefully, we haven't ran it yet, but hopefully this is, gonna be virtually unheard once it's running. So we're away from the home, we're away from the pool, we're blocked out, by the guest house. We are as far out of sight and out of mind as possible. We recognized the problem of noise, and Generac has really stepped up. This particular model, very quiet, insulated panels. They literally build the metal frame, insulate the inside. You can see it'll have vent holes where it's needed, but they've understood that noise isn't ideal. They've basically made this to the point where it's quiet as possible and as loud as it needs to be just to survive. It's a lot of thought process and technologies went into the canceling of noise. The value of this, again, is power when you need it. It's always there, it's always on. You may hear a little bit of noise, but you're gonna hear the noise while you're having a party, while you're swimming, while you're sitting in your hot tub, guys. The world could be on fire, you got power. Guys, I get it. I get phone calls every week. Keith, I want a generator. What's involved? What's entailed? The common mistake I'm seeing amongst customers, potential customers, I see them making a mistake and getting hung up on the initial upfront purchase cost of a generator versus the long-term value you'll have once you own a generator. Power, whenever you need power. People are looking to buy homes with generators, especially we're out in the county. We know the county is not super reliable. So if you're going to purchase a home, you see it has a generator, you're gonna be more inclined to look at that home. Everything needs electricity, and I know this better than anyone. All right, guys, the objective of this video for me was to kind of shed some light on questions that I've gotten, concerns that have been brought up from customers, potential customers. I want to cross all those off, but also this video isn't the end of it. If you have a question, if you have, the opportunity that you think you want a generator, just reach out. We're happy to come look at it, free quotes, free assessments. We can work together. We can see if we have options to fit your budget. The one thing that's guaranteed though, is if you do choose Young Electric to install your Generac generator, you're gonna have a contractor for life, guys. We can service it. We have techs, they've done training, warranties, updates. You're gonna get it all with us, guys. That's today's video. Thanks for coming along. Beautiful home. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Any questions? DM me, call me, whatever you need. Catch you on the next video, guys.